This is Jyot School for Children with Autism, Goa. Easily made for children with autism. As music was one of the favorite for this child, but he had difficulty in locating the keyboard because there are only black and white keys. As a teacher, we decided to give a color coding for this keyboard, and the color coding is done on the notebook as well as on the keyboard. So it becomes easy for the child to locate and play according to the tune of the music. So he is going to play one Konkani song, Chandracha Rati, by using this keyboard with some adaptation.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.